How to apply for unemployment in Canada. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for unemployment in Canada, ensuring you have the information needed to access support during tough times. To apply for unemployment in Canada, visit the Government of Canada Employment Insurance website, gather your social security number, job history, and any necessary documents. Create an account on the My Service Canada account portal or apply by phone. Fill out the required information about your employment and reasons for unemployment. After submitting your application, be sure to follow up and provide any additional information as needed. With these instructions, you'll be well equipped to apply for unemployment benefits in Canada.